As the leader in the construction industry in the Guelph Wellington country since 1914, Fred E. Pryor & Sons offers a variety of construction equipment and dump trucks to complete jobs big or small. The family business, built on a tradition of customer service, specializes in excavating, grading, landscape supplies, trucking, equipment hauling, demolition, float service, and so much more. Fred E. Pryor & Sons also offers a landscape center, whether you need soil, mulch, compost, gravel, sand, stone, or rock. For all of your construction and landscape needs, call Fred E. Pryor & Sons at 519-822-6231.